We got to the fairgrounds. We need to move one of the Shaw's Tiffin motorhomes, and we're gonna have Jason do it.
Industry Day has begun.
So this is Jason's first time at the show. Busy day today. We have a meet and greet. It's just like you don't realize, like it's so, I don't know, it's just very touching when you see that you help people, and I'm the whatever. We got to the fairgrounds and we are in our spots. We got some nice full hookup spots. We're with the Shaws. We need to move one of the Shaw's Tiffin motorhomes, and we're gonna have Jason do it. Jason has never been behind the wheel of a motorhome. So Chin said, hey, put him in the seat. Let him figure it out.
If he can drive a CRV, he can drive this.
All right, let's see.
It's in the grass. We're not gonna put in the water.
No.
All right, let's
When in doubt, brake.
brake. Just hit the brake. Yep.
How was it?
That was pretty scary, but that was really fun.
You didn't crash, so
I
that's
didn't crash, which is nice, but that compared to a tiny CRV driving a 40-foot motorhome is kind of intense, but it was a lot of fun.
First time staying at the Florida RV Super Show at the campsite, and we are plugged up now. If you watch a couple of our videos, this is the latest thing we have. I've been waiting years for this. This is the Hughes Autoformer. This is the Power Watchdog Power Center, and this is not only a surge protector with the EMS, but it's also boosted voltage. Now we did a full video review on this. We'll link it up above, but you can see the voltage coming in is 121 volts, and it's boosting it to 124 and 123. Of course, it's going to protect from all those errors that your normal surge protector EMS would do. You notice over here also we have a tow bar. What is similar to everything that we get? We get it from eTrailer. eTrailer is a great website for towing, for any types of RV accessories. So roof vents, tow bars, braking systems. We actually reached out to eTrailer after we had a failure with our braking system. I think we're gonna go with an Air Force One, but they have all of that on their website.
I know when I first looked at eTrailer's website, obviously a while back, I couldn't believe the amount of products they have for RVs. I didn't realize they have fireplaces, air conditioners, rugs, like, I mean, you name it, everything you would
Step
need.
motors,
Everything.
step
Yeah,
controllers,
it's all there.
marker lights, like a lot of things they have,
Yeah.
windows, all that.
The shipping is fast. The customer service is
Excellent.
top notch. Yes.
And what's nice about them is that when you call them, you understand what they're saying. I'm sure many have been witness to that frustration. And also, I think they really train their people on the phone because they know what they're talking about, which is always an awesome thing. So we've been using eTrailer for years. We'll put the link down below. We have our setup on our tow, but if you click on that link, you can buy anything from eTrailer. We absolutely love them. We'll put the link down below. Industry Day has begun, and the weather is just amazing.
It's perfect.
So we have a couple of videos that we're shooting today with some companies, which is going to keep us busy for most of the day. Something that's different is that we're staying much closer than we usually have, and that's a really nice thing because we don't have to get up at like 5 a.m., 4 a.m. to get here.
Yeah.
But those couple extra hours of sleep really help.
So this is Jason's first time at the show. So this morning we walked around. We did about 3 miles already. I'm working him. He's got to see how we usually do the shows, but we were walking around the show. He got to see kind of where everything is laid out. The hustle and bustle of Industry Day is just very, very exciting.
All right, so we're inside one of the Phoenix Vans. These things are really, really nice inside. One con, I don't fit in these things. So I'm currently in the bathroom in one of these vans, and I have to hunch over, like my head is stuck.
To try to get
up
in
on
the
the
shower.
shower. So we're gonna get in the shower and see. Oh yeah, no,
Well, you can fit in the shower.
I feel like
Hold on, close it. Let's see this.
you can see my eyes above the thing. I feel like it's the scene from Elf where he's pouring the water onto him. Yeah, that's one con is I do not fit.
How about in the
inside
bed?
these
Can you
things.
fit in the bed?
Probably not here. I don't want to put my feet up on this.
Just don't put your feet out. It's
I mean, I probably could if I curled up extra like snug, but.
Well, we had a long day. We got a lot done today.
It was a fun day.
Yeah, it's always good going on industry day because you meet a lot of like industry people, which is the whole point of the whole of the thing. But you get to put faces to emails that you've been sending and messages you get, and it's always a good thing.
We got to look at some of the vendors, so there's a lot going on. The show kicks off tomorrow, and always exciting. We had a really good day.
Now, a big part of this show, as I said earlier, just with vendors, is a lot of our sponsors that we've been with for years, they'll have dinners on Industry Day and throughout the week. One we've been coming to for the last few years, RV Mattress. They did it at Top Golf last year, and then this year it's at Top Golf again. So that's always a lot of fun. There'll be friends there, and we get to hit some golf balls. And
they have some good food
eat some
too.
yummy food. Well, last night was a blast. Well, let's go prior to last night. Yesterday it was really nice. We went to the Camco. They kind of had a little event there with some new product launches. So just be on the lookout for that. They have some new things coming out. And then we went
they had some good food.
And they had good food. They had good strawberries. I don't know where they got them from. But then we went to Top Golf, and MJ will talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, that was really fun. It was with RV Mattress. It's one of our sponsors. There were a lot of different channels there, and we just got to hit balls or whatever you call it, shoot things. No, I didn't even do it. Izzy and Jason did it. Izzy's very good, and you don't really
Very
play.
good.
Jason was at it, man. He kept going all night, and actually he's really started to get better as the night went on. Matt was doing it a bunch too. He was having fun. They had a kind of a whole spread of food, which was really cool. Let us know if you've been to Top Golf. It's a very cool place. Like, you don't have to hit balls if you don't want to. You can sit and relax. And
the food's good.
Yeah. So it's always fun to get together with other creators and just kind of hang out and relax.
If you're going to film, you need to know there's a very strong light source behind me that won't make your camera work really well. So
I see you.
Over here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now,
Do I have to sign a disclaimer here?
Got an idea. How about this, Mom? Would you hold my hand with your left hand? Okay, now put your right hand on my shoulder. And then practice this. Okay, we got to cheat to the camera. Okay, wait. I'll take a step backward. You come forward. Okay, now back toward you. I'm going to, back toward me. Cha-cha-cha. Back toward you. Cha-cha-cha. Hey, hon. Hey.
Well, we're in for a real treat today. So we had a long day at the show.
Jason had a longer day.
He did.
So beat.
He had a much longer day.
I walked an extra 3 hours after they went back to the RV.
Yeah, so we got back to the RV. We had, admin work to do, and then Jason went back out. We ate, did whatever, took a little nap.
To everybody we met, it was so awesome meeting all of you. It's so much fun. That's the best part of the show.
But what we're doing now, we're heading to apparently the local place you need to go to is Columbia Restaurant.
It's in Ybor City in
Right.
Tampa.
This has been in here for 100 plus years. It's like a city block. It's the largest Spanish restaurant apparently in the country. I'm very excited about this.
Well,
the menu looks amazing.
It was tough to get in, so we had to, I think somebody's calling. We're going with the Shaw family, who's actually calling.
They're calling right now.
And they had to make a reservation. It was tough to get a reservation, so we'll let you know how it is.
You are the mastermind of this place. You've been here before, right?
Yeah, some customer brought us here.
Well, this is a happening place. So I know it's Liz's birthday.
Yeah,
If anybody doesn't know, that's your wife of many years.
31 years almost, yeah.
So she's celebrating the reverse. She's doing desserts first.
You were eating dessert, two dessert.
And a cafe con leche, which is coffee and milk.
Living it up on your birthday.
That's how you're starting. That's your warm-up.
You do it backwards, dessert first.
So what do you think of the show? What's the show been so far?
Man, show is great. It's great, but I like to eat food, man.
That's all it is. Every time I see you, you're eating.
What, this restaurant was opened in 1905.
Yeah, we're going to walk around because it's like a city
Yeah.
block, apparently.
This is awesome.
We're excited about this.
But
The
show
food
is
looks
good with a
amazing.
friend.
Yeah,
It's good with the hang out. with friends.
absolutely. What's been your feedback so far?
Well, it's my first show since I was like 6 or 7 years old, and this place is awesome.
Right.
And it's been a lot of fun. We definitely got to see a lot of people who were super cool as far as like RVers. Got a lot of experience out there. yeah, it's been a good time.
Happy birthday to you and many more. Yay!
Good morning. It's a little chilly today. I don't think it's iguana falling out of tree cold,
No.
but tomorrow it's going to be actually. Tomorrow morning it's going to be in the 30s, but it's warming up to like 60 both days, so that's fine. It's just, got a little extra clothing on today. We had a really cool time last night. Guys, if you're ever in the Tampa area and you want to check out the oldest Spanish restaurant in the country, the Columbia restaurant in Ybor City was so cool, and it was packed. It was a Wednesday night. It was packed. There were so many people. The food was amazing.
How was the bread pudding?
Oh, white chocolate bread pudding. We split it. It was huge. It was to die for. The people were not, we met people from New Jersey. They used to live in Jersey next to us. We had an absolute blast. Happy birthday to Liz again. So that was really, really, really fun. Busy day today. We have a meet and greet at 1 o'clock. And then we're actually doing a live stream today with Brett and Angie from NARVC, talking about some cool things coming up and some really interesting information in the industry. And there's actually a really good video that Brett did, which we're going to link up above. Really insightful and fascinating information about the RV industry and motorhome decline and things. We're just going to leave it there. We highly recommend you watch that video.
Yeah.
It is really, really interesting.
Well, one of the questions we always get is, how do we know how much we're paying? What are the dealers paying? You need to watch this video because the cat's out of the bag. Literally,
it is out of the bag. And it's a long video, but it's worth every minute of your time. It was really
one other comment we get all the time: we bought cash, thinking that that's the best decision, and he's going to show you why it's actually a really bad decision to buy cash. So go watch that video. It's an hour and 25 minutes, but there is a lot of information on there that you're going to want to know about.
It's just like you don't realize. Like, it's so, I don't know, it's just very touching when you see that you help people, and I'm whatever.
We just finished our meet and greet with the FRVTA, and I have to tell you, that was amazing. And I said before, I know I was crying. I didn't expect to cry, but this guy, one of our subscribers, Tom, who gave us this amazing gift, which we actually, Jason, can you go grab that?
Yeah,
over
go
there?
grab it.
He presented us with this gift today. He just came out to us and said, you've helped me so much in my RV decisions and everything. He's actually looking to purchase an RV. And he gave us this gift that he made for us. I mean, isn't that beautiful? It's so thoughtful. And
Except the kid in the middle.
Okay, whatever.
So Tom gave me a hug, and I just lost it because you just don't realize, like, I guess the people that you help. And again, it's exactly almost 7 years ago why we started this channel, was to help people. So I just lost it. It was really touching. So thank you, Tom, and thank you everybody that came and hung out with us. It was really awesome. And
What was your take on it?
Yeah, I've never been to the Tampa show, never been to one of their meet and greets like put together like this. And it was absolutely amazing. Thank you to all of you guys who came out. It was such a great time.
Getting our breakfast ready for Friday of the show. So I don't know if you've seen this before, this Zausen House bread cutter, but this thing's awesome. Let me get the towel so I don't cut my fingers off.
Featured it in a previous video.
Yeah, it's just a manual bread cutter, and the slices come out awesome. You could adjust the width of the slice. It's just much better than using a knife.
Look at that.
It's stuck on here. The bread's stuck. But yeah, look.
There we go.
There we go. Look at that. You could adjust the thickness. Well, we'll put a link down below. But today's Jason's last day. He's leaving back to Liberty today. He's got a 2-day trip. So good. Yesterday, thank you to everybody that came out to the meetup. Of course, all our subscribers that we know everybody can't be here. But we had a huge turnout. Afterwards, we went out to dinner to the Jerk Hut with the Shaws and some subscribers. Yeah, it was. We always have a good time there.
It was good. That Jamaican spot. If you like Jamaican food, it's on East Fowler Avenue in Tampa. The Jerk Hut Island Grill. It's So good. It's legitimate Jamaican food. And they have a buffet or a full menu. I get the buffet, so I eat like the cabbage, the collard greens, rice and beans. It's so, so good.
It's not like a fancy place, but we're not about fancy places. We just want good places. And they've been around for a long time.
Yeah.
So we're getting low on sourdough. One of the things about the show, we have no time to
I know.
make the dough, but we got to make time for it.
Gotta make the dough. Gotta make. Remember that Dunkin' Donuts?
That's when they actually used to make them.
Make the donuts.
Now they factory them in. We're going to end it here. We have more vlog about this show and our continuing travel.
Yeah,
so
we're only halfway through the show right now.
yeah,
So
this is when the meat and
come.
potatoes start. In the comments below, let us know, are you attending any RV shows? Where are your travels? Also, if you want to see one of the videos we did from this show, it's a really good one, a live with Brett and Angie. You should really watch that one. We'll link it right over here. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.